everybody. Guess what? I got a cherry box for April. So I skipped March's cherry box, which made me super duper sad because you guys, it was gorgeous. But I just did not have time to create with it. So I decided that I would pass and skip the March box. But if you want to see what was in that before they add the extras into the store, you can check out over on the Cherry on Top YouTube channel. Okay, so this is April's box. So if you sign up for a cherry box subscription before this is May's box, sorry. If you sign up for a cherry box before April 25th, then you will get this box. Does that make sense? I think I said it wrong. But anyway, this is the May box. This is the May box that is coming, the forthcoming May box. So in order to get this box, you need to sign up by April 25th. There we go. That's correct. All right, there's lots of fun stuff in this box. So let's get started. First of all, these boxes always come with things that are reusable. That's what I call them. So they're not consumable products like stickers or things. There's always things in it that you can use. And it's a great way to try out and get like some new products or tools even into your craft room. So this month's box has a pair of scissors. This is the Comfort Craft spring scissors from We Are Memory Keepers. Now, this brand, Comfort Craft, love this brand. So this is the brand that makes, this is the line of tools. And I have quite a few of them. I don't have the scissors, but I have like those little magnets that I use on my Misty so I can pick them up easier. So they're made for people who have joint pain, joint issues, things like arthritis or lupus like me, or, you know, different if you have a damage in your hands, things like that. So the idea is that these are comfortable to use, easy to use, and they don't take a lot of effort and things like that. So these are the spring scissors. First of all, can I just say these feel really good in my hand? So you open them like this, and then you use them like this, and you can use them with your whole hand, which is kind of fun. I think that this would take a bit of getting used to, but I also think it's kind of cool. So I am super excited to kind of have these, and I will make sure to pick them up and try them throughout the month. I wonder, so I'm kind of curious. Like they feel really good and the spring is like really nice and easy. So, but I'm wondering if it would, I'm wondering if there's a learning curve to it maybe, right? Kind of, I feel like there might be a learning curve to these, but at the same time, I think that they're fun to use. So I'm excited, use them, see how they cut and play with those a little bit. You also get a sticky thumb from American Crafts. This is actually Zig's. So these are Zig's glue pens that American Crafts partnered with to sell. And they're awesome. So I've used these before many times. This is the two-way glue. So it has a little thing in it. This is really great. I love this glue. I actually use it in my craft room for little die cuts and such. So excited to have a new one of these. If you've never used one, it would be great. This would be a great kit to go ahead and get, and then you can try one. So the main line in this kit this month is K & Company's Antique Garden Collection. So K & Company is an older line. They've been around for a really long time, and they were one of the companies that were bought by American Crafts. So this is K & Company, but it's manufactured, or you know, it's under that American Crafts umbrella. But they hadn't released anything with that branding for a really long time. So I know when I saw this, I was super excited because it meant that they, you know, still could come around. They had a very distinct style, and I'm super curious to see how much of that very distinct style is in these products. So let's get started. This is Antique Garden Bloom paper. So the first side has this like real pretty, this is a really cool texture. I don't know if you can see this on camera or not, but it has like that burlap sack canvasy texture, and it has some titling already on it. And then the back is this really pretty like watercolored floral and nice branding strip. This one is like a tone on tone yellow. I think I'm in love with this paper. This is beautiful. Perfect for spring. And then the back is again this gorgeous like watercolor birds. This one is birds and branches paper. I love this paper. I have no clue how I would use it on a scrapbook layout, but I really want to try because it's so pretty. This one is this one has this pretty like mosaic tile feel to it, and then the other side is the border with the little vase, and this one is called large vase paper. Appropriate. That side is really pretty. This one is called floral vase paper. So it has, again, these borders, a lot of the papers have like this border with a little bit of decor on it, which is super fun. I'm kind of on the fence. I feel like I need to use one of these papers in this kit to see if I would like it or not, but I do think it's kind of interesting. Beautiful. Okay, this I am loving. This I'm loving too. How springy is this? This one is called Garden Tulips paper. So cute. And then the back is just a simple kind of white and blue color. If I sound a bit stuffy and my voice sounds a bit gone, it's because it's that time of year where the allergies are smacking me in the face. This paper is corner floral paper. So it has this kind of watercolor green and then this pretty floral element in the corner. And then the back of it is just this really pretty orange text. These butterflies want to be fussy cut. You know that they do. This is called the Garden Gold butterfly paper. So I have pretty butterflies, and then the back is gorgeous too. Because, you know, if you've been around here, well, I shouldn't say that because I feel like I say that all the time, but love me some coral colored paper. And this is beautiful. So this one is Antique Garden Wallpaper Stripe paper. Okay, so one side has all these little like border strips that you could cut apart. I love a good border strip paper. But then the back is really pretty, and then look at that branding strip too. The branding strip is really, really cute. I like this green paper too. This is stunning. I don't even know what I would use. Like, this is kind of like that other bird paper. I'm like, what? How would I use this? But I love it, so let's try. Golden bird paper. So part of me like wants to almost make this a card, and I don't know why I'm leaning towards that way, but I feel like a card would just, you know, take a little bit where you got all the birds and this, and how pretty. And the back is this kind of blue with the fun little wisteria floral pattern on it. This is gorgeous. This might be my favorite paper yet. Tiny wildflowers paper. So the front is just a simple ledger. This is so easy. This screams background for a scrapbook page. And then you have all these pretty flowers down in the corner. And then the back is like this tone on tone, like hunter green color. Here's that bird again. But remember how I said I wanted to do a frame? Look, here's that frame, right? And then it has the pretty bird. So maybe this is the one we'll use. And then, oh, no, it's not. The other side is a foil paper. It says Antique Garden Frames paper. Look how cute. So the other side has these foiled frames. They're so, so pretty. Love them. I love this. Here's another like paper that wants to be a background. So cute. Like this one is like ready to go, right? So pretty. And then the back is a cut part. Of course it is. You guys. that to me. I have all these hard decisions about paper I have to make now. So one side is this orange, and then the other side is the 3x4 cut apart pieces. Lots of good little journaling spots here. So really, really fun. There are some hard choices that must be made in this box. I'm just saying. Okay, let's look at embellishments. Lots of embellishments. So we have some stickers. These are the maple stickers. They're white, really easy to use. Looks like there's lots and lots of vowels here, and they're like, oh, pretty white. So. Then you get a whole pack of ephemera. So it says 10 foiled pieces, and the foiled pieces are separated, so they're up here. Oh, no, they're not, because that's foiled. Never mind. So there's 10 foiled pieces, and here's a look at the back. So lots of frames, some butterflies, some birds, some journaling cards, and some tags. This one down here that looks like a locket, that looks really cute. Some dragonflies, some cute little sayings, and different things. So that'll be super fun. I am so excited about these butterflies. So when we get to Jess at a Cherry on Top, she lets us know what's going to be in the boxes. And when she said they were featuring this collection, my first question was, are there going to be the butterflies in there? She said yes. So look at these butterflies, you guys. They're so cute. I cannot wait to play with these. I wanted these. I've actually looked at them in the shop like 5 or 6 times. And I'm like, they're so pretty. They're little fabric butterflies. They're so pretty. And then you also get these dimensional like wax seals, which is really cool. I love wax seals. I have a couple videos on my channel using them, and they're so fun. So I'm excited to play with these as well. You get the entire sticker book. So again, these kits are always like so full of stuff, like so full. So this is cardstock sticker. This first one is cardstock, and so is this one. Oh, it'd be nice if these were all cardstock, right? But you know they're not. Nope, there's the clear stickers. So there's some stickers. This one is cardstock. This one is cardstock, like all these foiled flowers. Oh, you guys. So maybe one of those good sticker books. Cardstock with little phrase stickers and another cardstock. So wait, is there? Nope, that's cardstock too. Cardstock. I love these little locket pieces. They're adorable. Look, this one's cardstock too. Yes. So there are 8 sheets of stickers in this book, and only one of them are clear. That is pretty stinking good. That's pretty good, I gotta say. Good sticker book right there. Okay, and then there is these dimensional stickers with all the flowers. It's so cute. So that is the May Cherry box. Perfect for spring. This is going to be such a fun box to play with. I cannot wait to go ahead and go start cutting. So I'm going to go do that. And I hope you all have a fabulous Sunday. There's actually going to be 2 videos going up today. This should go up, let's see, this will go up about 9, and then there'll be another one later in the evening. So just a heads up. And that one uses my How to Kill It style. Yes. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, everybody, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.